Tips for the shotgun users. Tips 1. Shotgun can be far range.
Oh, that's three there. That's a fact.
Well, because some of the idiots just use it for far range.
Domination.
Oh my fucking god, their brain is fucked. Tips 2 for the shotgun user.
Capture the objectives.
Because when you go along by yourself using a shotgun, when your teammate is fucked up,
You can't even save them because you are so far away from them. Also, shotgun can be far range. So the best thing is to stay together with your teammate and teamwork. So when your teammate is fucked up by them, you can kill them. Tips 3 for the shotgun user.
Stealth chopper in.
don't trash talk. Because when you trash talk a teammate once,
Enemy has
and
charge.
you're fucked up by their enemy. Oh, that's straight there.
Plus, they get revenge on you. Lol. Now the tips 4 for the shotgun users.
Standing by.
Play Garena.
Recon is
Because
standing by.
Garena is full of shotgun.
Friendly shock RC
God.
is ready. Losing B.
Finally, the last tips. Oh my.
Don't only use shotgun, use all the types of guns. Because it's fucking annoying and then you just keep ruining the game and making the game worse.
And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button down below the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye.
Got all this paper, I don't go to class. Shorty look good with that double stuffed ass. Shoe made a gator, so I'll see you later. Your boy made the